Google's Gemini AI assistant is now more powerful and useful, starting with a new feature called Gemini Live Camera. This smart tool lets users point their phone's camera at anything and get real-time help. Whether you're looking at a product, a sign, or a place, Gemini can now see through your phone's camera and answer your questions instantly. It's a big upgrade for AI features on smartphones. This feature is driven by Astra, part of Gemini that can see what's in front of the camera. For instance, you can ask Gemini to translate a billboard or tell you what you're holding, and it provides quick, detailed responses. It's similar to Google Lens, but with fewer steps and much quicker results. Notably, Samsung Galaxy S25 owners are the first to receive Gemini Live Camera for free. The phones already come with a feature integrated, plus a 6-month complimentary Gemini Advanced subscription. Otherwise, other Android phones require a paid subscription to access it, but Google now provides it for free for Galaxy phones and will roll out to additional phones shortly. For use, it requires permission from the screen share and camera overlay so that Gemini may view through the live cam feed. It operates on devices running Android 10 or greater through the same Gemini app previously on the Google Play Store. This free Gemini AI update will be released in stages, so it might take a couple of weeks to see it for users locally. But once it's live, it could revolutionize the way we use our phones for everyday tasks.